Hi, my name is Yen. I'm an Associate Director of Analytical Biochemistry at CSL. I grew up in Malaysia, and when my interest in science really kicked off, my passion is obviously technology, and I'm attracted by anything technology-based, be it toys, drones, games. That's when a lot of opportunities internationally start to kind of become apparent, really. So I lived in Australia, obviously. I also lived in the UK. I lived in China. I lived in Japan. I think that's really me. In my current role, the team and I work together to understand the behavior of the drug and the molecular structure of the drug so that when we bring these drugs to our patients, we understand how they work. What do I love about my job? What's not to love about it? I think there's a lot of opportunities to meet many people, work with a lot of really cutting-edge technologies, as well as the logistics of having different types of opportunities presented to me. What's so important about medical science to me? I'd say it's about changing people's lives. I know it sounds cliche, but it's about that human connection. It's about the coming together of scientific understanding so we can be better individually and collectively. I'm Yen, and I'm an Everyday Trailblazer at CSL. To hear more about our Everyday Trailblazers and how they're driven by our promise, visit csl.com.